Hey, Wellness One folks. Here to let you know how our next 2 weeks are going to roll. Monday and Tuesday, we are having you guys take your second test or quiz. Like I promised, it's take home, obviously. But I'm keeping all the folders open with all of our previous presentations, notes, etc. I would also really strongly encourage you to use your notes that you've had in class. So the next 2 days, you're going to have 2 days to finish that. So Monday and Tuesday. Typically, kids get done with this in about 40 minutes, which it's all it should take. But understanding that we're all still trying to figure out what this distance learning shtick is going to be, that's why I give you 2 days to get that done. Starting on Wednesday, this is where we are starting your video project. We talked about this at the beginning of the quarter and a few times where you typically, if you were in a face-to-face class, you would be able to partner up with somebody. You would be creating a video with them after doing some research and creating a storyboard, which is basically a comic strip of what your video would look like, and then doing a bunch of editing and everything like that. Since we obviously A, have less time, and B, are not going to be working with partners, I changed the project so you will be creating a public service announcement, or what we call a PSA. Now, I have a ton of examples in all the content folders that I'll be giving you, but you are going to be assigned a topic and doing research on your own, and then editing that video using either iMovie, which is what's on your iPad, or you are going to use a different editing software, whatever you have maybe on a computer at home or whatever you might have on your iPad as well. That being said, that is going to be due the Thursday before the end of the quarter, which is the 9th of April. So it gives you about a week and a weekend to get that done. I have it guided, so you have 1 or 2 days, depending on the thing, to get that done. And then on Friday, which is the last day of the quarter, you are going to be required to watch 4 other people's videos, and you are going to be making comments on those and letting them know what you've learned and what you liked about their public service announcement. All right. Second thing that I wanted to let you guys know is that I have reformatted how Schoology is going to look for you to hopefully help you with your online learning. So what I would like you to do is to look at our April 1st folder, and when you go in there, we call it, what it is a one-pager. So it's set up more like a website. So as you're scrolling through, you're actually seeing the content rather than clicking on a presentation here, a video there, opening up this PDF. It's all in one spot. And then the worksheet or whatever needs to be done for that particular lesson is going to be at the bottom of that page. And then you'll also see the assignment spot to turn it into. All right, I know it's a little bit different. It's not, I'm sure, what many, if any, teachers are doing. It's something that we learned from a teacher that we knew that used to be at Eastview that has been teaching in China. And currently, since she had to evacuate in February, has been teaching her students in China from Rosemount, Minnesota. So we connected with her, and she taught us how to do some pretty cool things on Schoology to make it easier for you guys and keep you better engaged with what we got going on. All right? So miss you guys a ton. Hopefully we'll be able to connect again. I'll be doing face-to-face videos every day so you can have an idea of what's going on. All right? See you guys.